Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Isaac and today we're taking a look at my Pirate Island MOC. This build is almost 2 MOCs in one because the lower half is all sea creatures and coral and rockwork, and then the upper half above the water is the Pirate Island itself. Starting at the base, we've got a layer of sand with a bunch of coral made out of different pieces growing out of it. There's also a ton of sea life swimming and crawling around, including schools of fish, sharks, jellyfish, crabs, and much more. I also built this rock column rising from the seabed. It's a busy intersection for fish and lots of other sea life, and at the top where it meets the surface of the water is where the pirates have made their base. The surface of the water is built out of a bunch of 1x4 trans blue tiles and can be curved to make a wavy look. The pirates have made the most of the space on the island, building up from the tiny island and filling it as much as they can. When I built this, I wanted to really think about how they get to different areas of the base, as well as where they store all of their different items. The pirates have food, storage, weapons, plenty of animals and pets, lots of piratey themed details, and a lookout at the very top. They also have a nice little hammock underneath to take a nap. The island is also full of foliage, making it feel overgrown and natural. This build turned out very lush, filled out, and visually appealing. It fits really well in this vertical display shelf that I have in my Lego room, so I'm going to display it there from now on. I love how this build turned out. Comment down below what you thought of it, and leave a like if you enjoyed this build. Other than that, subscribe for more builds like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!